Example 3.7. Show the time period of oscillation when a bar magnet is kept in an uniform magnetic field is T is equal to 2 pi into root of I by PMP, where I represents moment of inertia of a bar magnet, PM is the magnetic moment and B is the magnetic field. Now we have to find it out. We have to prove here. T is equal to 2 pi into root of I by PMP. That is the period of oscillation of the magnetic field kept in an uniform magnetic field is this much. We have to prove it. Now for that we are going to take torque acting on a bar magnet in uniform magnetic field. So first I am going to take torque. Torque acting on a bar magnet in uniform magnetic field. So the modulus of torque is given by the letter tau. Tau is equal to PMB sin theta. Okay, magnetic moment into what? Magnetic field into sin theta. Okay. Now, so this is the magnitude of the torque. Now, the restoring torque acting on the bar magnet. When there is a torque is acting on the bar magnet, oppositely and restoring torque will be acting on the bar magnet. So, the restoring torque acting on the bar magnet. Therefore, the modulus of that is, here also the magnitude only we are taking, I alpha. Okay. Now, this can be written as I into d square theta by dt square. D square theta by what? dt square. Now, under equilibrium condition, these two torques will be equal. These two torque will be what? Equal. That is, the torque acting on the bar magnet due to the uniform magnetic field will be equal to that of the restoring torque acting on the bar magnet. But they will be acting in opposite direction. They will be acting in what? Opposite direction. So I can write I d square theta by dt square is equal to minus PMB sin theta, because it is acting in the opposite directions. Now this can be written as d square theta by dt square is equal to minus Pm by I b sin theta. Okay. Now this is a non-linear second order equation. Okay, second order differential equation. In order to make it into a linear second order homogeneous differential equation, I am going to take sin theta is equal to theta. It's approximately equal to what? Theta. So, this can be written as d square theta by dt square is equal to minus PMB by I into theta. Okay. Now, this has become a what? Linear second order homogeneous differential equation. Okay. Now, this is a simple harmonic differential equation. This is a simple harmonic differential equation. Now, already we know the simple harmonic differential equation. The general form of simple harmonic differential equation is d square x by dt square is equal to minus omega square x. Minus omega square x. This is the general form of what? Differential equation. So, when we compare these two equations, here it is theta, here it is x, here it is angular displacement, it is linear displacement. Here it is all displacement, it is angular displacement. Here omega square is equal to PMB by I. We can compare it. So what is your omega value? Omega is equal to root of PMB by I. Now what is omega? Omega is equal to 2 pi by T. Okay. Bi by I. Okay. Now T is equal to what you will get? 2 pi into root of I by PM P. Root of I by PM E. Okay, so now you have proved this equation. Okay, we have got the time period of oscillation of a bar magnet kept in an uniform what? Magnetic field. Uniform magnetic field. We have got the answer.